Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. In this video, we are going to discuss about the WorkdayIntl function in Excel. So this WorkdayIntl function helps you to get the nth working day in future or in past, and it will return the value which is next or previous working days based on your input. So this function takes a date and return the nearest working day in future or in past based on the offset value that you have provided. When I'm saying offset value, this means that the input value date which you have provided. In our previous video, we have also looked at the workday function, but unlike the workday function, WorkdayIntl allows you to customize which days are to be considered as weekends or the non-working day. We can use this WorkdayIntl function to calculate completion dates of a particular process or a project after taking into the accounting of non-working days also. So this WorkdayIntl function has 4 arguments. The first argument is the start date, the second argument is days, third argument is the weekend, and the fourth argument is holiday. So the first argument, start date, is the start date which you would provide as an input, from which date you want to start. The second argument is the days, that will be the end date. The third argument, which is an optional argument, is weekends. It helps you for setting up which days of the week should be considered as weekends. And the fourth argument, which is holidays, is also an optional argument which helps you to provide a list of one or more than one dates that should be considered as non-working days. So let's go in our example and see how we can use this WorkdayIntl function in Excel. So we have to generate a list of dates that are work days, which is from Monday to Friday. Okay, so we have a date here, and what we need to do is that we need to get a series of dates that are work day. So let me add this function here, WorkdayIntl. As I have selected this WorkdayIntl function, you can see that it's asking me the start date. So for me, the start date will be this 1/06/2021, and then it's asking me days in future or in past based on your requirement. If I put -1, then it will go into past, or if I put -10, it will go into past. But if I put 1 or 10, then it will go or move forward into future. So let's put 1 here. Okay, now it's asking me, third argument is the weekend. So for me, the weekend would be Saturday, Sunday, right? By default, it choose 1. So let's take Saturday, Sunday as our weekends, and it's asking me the list of holidays. So let's take these 3 dates as a holiday. Okay. Now if I close this parenthesis and press enter, pause this video and think what would be the output. Okay, let's press enter. I am getting a numerical number here. Let me change the format to date. I am getting 7/06/2021. Why would Excel provide me this date? Although I wanted the next working day after 1st June. So after 1st June, this is 2nd June, 3rd June, 4th June, right? And we have considered these 3 days as our non-working day, right? Correct? This is our non-working day. So let's highlight this in green. Okay. Then we have 5th and 6th of June, right? So let's put equal to this plus 4, which gives me 5th of June, and equal to this plus 1, which gives me 6th of June. And let's move this formula over here. What would be the day of this 5th June? Let's take text formula. Okay, and the format would be 4 times t, and it gives me Saturday. So 5th is Saturday, similarly 6th is Sunday. And if I take the day of this 1st June, It is Tuesday. So after Tuesday, our working day should be Wednesday. But Wednesday is on 2nd of June. Thursday is on 3rd of June. Friday is on 4th of June, which is a non-working day or a public holiday. Then what would be our next working day in future? That would be 7th, because 7th is Monday. So with the help of this WorkdayIntl function, you can get the nth number of days in future or in past based on your input, which will be the next working dates. So this is how you can use this WorkdayIntl function to get the nearest working end days in future or in past.